But ngingayithandi ikhandlela likhona mali lingekho on ngicela ngiyayicela nayi iqinqinqinqo like that. Nina, what happened to being a professional side chick? I'm not saying side chicks are right. Maka the old school ones, at least they were professional. Laba bamanje, like can Abo Sis Dora, Abo Sis Queen, Abo Sis Nora come back and teach these new age side chicks how to side chick? What do you mean you are calling the wife? Yeah, I'm again I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. You guys won't even give me 1 day off, let alone 2 days off. You guys literally woke me up. Guys, there's nothing much happening. So I must come here and talk to you about what? Crickets, roses, and what? Because you guys are only interested in stories. So if there's no stories, I must come here and do what? No, pushana management. Pushana management. This is why I don't ask for leave and I just abscond. Dangerous, Nina. Yo, I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want to promote your channel or your business on my platform, sorry, Kamukhala, I have got you covered. Yeah. Do you like cooking? No, you should like cooking because festive season is around the corner. So we need to see you in and out of the kitchen. Worry not because Delicious K has got you covered from the most simplest dishes. She does not even complicate the ingredients. So you can't even say, hey, it's hard. It's not. Okay? It's not.
Hi management, a new kid in the blog called Delicious K, a South African food content YouTube channel whereby you cook what you have in your house. There's no pressure. Whatever that is inside your cupboard, listen, we cook it, we don't judge. So please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, management, so that you can learn new recipes, especially for Christmas.
Please subscribe to Delicious K and tell her that Sim sent you over there. Now let us start with my colleagues. Congratulations to Umihlali, Nosiza Ndlovu. You know why? These girls dreamt it, believed it, and made it happen. Caesar has come out with a summer line that consists of swimsuits, cover-ups, and ama-bag la uzofaka ama-beach towels wakho. She even has beach towels, guys. So please go to Selfa More. I think it's Selfa More, the name of e business, okay? And show us some love and some support. I love it when people pivot and they branch out to do other stuffs. I love it. Imnandi mkhukwini, inside the tin, not the bottle. Mkhukwini. Mihlali went all the way to Sandton Sana at the Mark and she opened a treasury, a store where she sells beautiful, beautiful gowns. Like, yeah, Alina no Mihlali. This is definitely Mihlali's brand. Like her in evening gowns, stunning dresses. So it's called Treasury. So please support Mihlali, guys. Angazi ukuthi 1 million, 10 million, 5 million per dress, but go over there and support. But those gowns look very luxurious and very like we want to through the skin good. So please go over there and support Umihlali also. Congratulations to my colleagues. You guys really make us like want more for ourselves. You know? Now let us talk about what are you guys doing to Jessica Ngozi? No, what are you guys doing to Jessica Ngozi? Jessica Ngozi is there on Instagram having to remind you guys that she is a married woman. I think she was highlighting that because she is getting DMs from men who are asking her out and who are telling her, "Wuti, yo ntokazi, mina ngizokunakekela, mina ngizokuphatha kahle, ngithware kamukhala." So Jessica is like, if you can forget anything about me, please remember one thing. I am a married woman. Yes, Maya Angelou wasemzumbe. Don't do that to Jessica Nkosi, guys. She is married to UTK. So ningayenzi kanjalo. She is Madlamini Sibalikhulu. So ningayenzi kanjalo. Ane, this was a friendly reminder. Next time it won't be friendly. And then you saw how the husband is on that show that I forgot the name of. Edlala ngo 8:30. So ningayenzi kanjalo. Side chicks, come here. Ama-side chicks for 2025 are a different breed, ne? Like, they were really born and raised in Kruger National Park next to the lions. What do you mean this girl went to the wife after her boyfriend, who is the husband of the wife, blocked her? So this girl was blocked by the husband, Anne? And then she had the wife's number. I don't know where, I don't know how, I don't know why. She had the wife's number. And then she texted the wife and said, tell your husband to unblock me. He knows who I am. And the wife said, who are you? And then she said, he knows. And then she said, why are you involving me? And then the side chick is like, you are his wife, aren't you? The nerve, the liver, the audacity, the way your family would have to update their funeral policies, because I would touch you with my own hands, put you 9 feet under, ngoba 6 feet, I'm afraid ukuthi usazovuka, and uma uvuka uzongimangela isiqede. So I don't want you to even be an ancestor. I want you to not rest in peace. I want you to rest like that forever, if I was the wife. Because first of all, you're not dating me. You are dating the one that disrespected me. Second of all, why are you involving me in your private part collaboration with my husband? Why are you involving me? Is it not enough that we are sharing the same verse in 2 different frying pans? Why must your frying pan now want to be in my kitchen cupboard? It's not a likhose. Eh? No. So why if frying pan yakho kumele ingene kwami? And like the sheer audacity to ask the wife to unblock you. Ungenabi. Like, how is the wife involved? Guys, you remember the side chicks about 1964? Miriam Makeba era. Do you remember those side chicks? They were moving in silence. They were moving like submarines because they knew, it's shameful. Guys, let's bring back shame. Like, every morning when you wake up, you must drink at least 3 teaspoons of intloni so that you don't move mad when you're moving in the streets. Like, literally, who do you think you are? You and your boyfriend that are disrespecting me. Guys, niyamangaza. Tomorrow is the 21st of November. Therefore, it is that we remember that we have our profile pictures purple. We are protesting. We are standing in solidarity with women against GBV. Therefore, don't forget to wear black. Ne? Don't forget to wear black. Don't forget to not do any economic activities. And on top of that, we are going to lie on the floor for 15 minutes. So I might not post in solidarity. Ne? So don't come and say, hey, it seems, I might not post tomorrow. I thank you. Amen.